everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to log in to your Weibo account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.weibo.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official web page of Weibo.com. Scroll a bit down and click on the sign up now link right next to don't have a Weibo yet in order to create a new account. If you already have an account, you can click on the log in now button and select one of the methods to log into your account. You can either scan this QR code from your mobile device with the help of the Weibo mobile application, scan the QR code and you'll be able to log in to your account. Another way to log in is by using the account login or the SMS login option. If you choose SMS login, select any one option and enter your login credentials on the next page. Type in your user ID in the first text box and enter your correct password. If you don't remember your password, get help by clicking on Forgot Password and reset your password to a new one by following through the on-screen prompt. If you'd like the system to remember you on this particular device, check this Remember Me box before logging in. If you're using a public or a shared device, leave the box unchecked for your security. Finally, click the login button in order to log in and access your Weibo.com account quick and easy without delay. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.